Welcome to video number 278 of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. In this video, you can learn how to use if in present tense. Does if correspond to tenses? It does in every language. But can you learn Tamil in 5.5 days? Well, but you can realistically learn in 5.5 months. If you can regularly spend some time to learn from these 275 videos, learning Tamil videos from the channel by name Learn Tamil 1, and from the Instagram channel Learn Tamil 1 by the same name. You can also participate in the Telegram group to learn with other learners, all of which can make your learning really fun and easy. So 5.5 days, that may be magical, but 5.5 months, that is very practical. All the best with your Tamil learning. Already seen if in video number 63, 64 and 65 into smaller videos with few examples. And to learn if as a past conditional, check video number 198, or you can click here or check the description. If you are going to your native, take me along with you. நீ ஊருக்கு போறன்னா என்னையோ கூப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டு போ. Though grammatically it is present tense, நீ ஊருக்கு போற, it has to be understood as something that could happen soon. நீ ஊருக்கு போறன்னா, if you are going to your native. நீ ஊருக்கு போறன்னா என்னையும் கூப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டு போ. அவங்க வேலை ஏதாவது தேடிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னா எனக்கும் சேர்த்து தேட சொல்லு. If she's looking for a job, ask her to find one for me too. Here it is clearly present continuous. வேலை ஏதாவது தேடிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னா, we are talking about if she's currently doing something. To understand all these tenses and conjugation, please watch video 171 to 175, which will make your learning really easier. If she is searching for a job, ask her to find one for me too. அவங்க வேலை ஏதாவது தேடிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னா எனக்கும் சேர்த்து தேட சொல்லு. It is raining, go wearing the raincoat. மழை பெய்யுதுன்னா or பெஞ்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்குன்னா ரெயின்கோட் போட்டுக்கிட்டு போ. So both really means present. So if it is raining, go wearing the raincoat. மழை பெய்யுதுன்னா or பெஞ்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்குன்னா ரெயின்கோட் போட்டுக்கிட்டு போ. If he is traveling in the metro, there may not be signal. I think the person in the phone is not able to reach his son and someone is telling him அவன் மெட்ரோல போயிட்டு இருக்கான்னா சிக்னல் கிடைக்காது. If he is traveling in the metro, there will not be signal. Here we are using present continuous, which is more suitable because if he is currently, that is now in the metro, அவன் மெட்ரோல போயிட்டு இருக்கானா சிக்னல் கிடைக்காது. And this is a small little snapshot that you can save. I have used the verb செய்ய, and this whole thing is present tense, and this whole thing is present continuous, which you can use for reference for if present and present continuous. And friends, this almost took me 30 minutes to do, and I hope you can make the best use of this. All the 4 phrases that we have already seen now can be even simplified if you have watched video 63, 64 and 65. For instance, you could say நீ ஊருக்கு போறனா என்னையும் கூப்பிட்டுட்டு போ. You can also say that in a very simple way. நீ ஊருக்கு போனா என்னையும் கூப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டு போ. That's a much simpler way of saying without coming specifically to any of the tenses. Similarly, try to convert these two phrases and simplify them. And then you can write that in the comment and I'll check and then come back to you. You might be wondering why this strange thumbnail. If you wish to learn Tamil in 5.5 days, that is, you have to translate now this phrase using if and then try to complete this into any of a phrase of your choice in Tamil. I'd say if you wish to learn Tamil in 5.5 days, well, that is not possible, but it is possible to learn in 5.5 months. That may seem long, but you can try to translate it. Now, let me explain how you can learn Tamil language in 5.5 months. You can watch these videos, all the 275 videos on YouTube that we have so far, and you can type you learn Tamil 1 in the YouTube search, which will take you to the videos, or you can just click here in the logo. We also have the Instagram with the same name, Learn Tamil 1. Alternatively, you can join the Telegram group and participate and learn with other learners like you. We also have a G-Meet, which we try to conduct every week and participate and learn with other learners. So to make the best use of all these resources to learn Tamil in 5.5 months.